Now then, where are we? I'm just making this little intro to let you know that this is a shortened version of the walking and hiking video. I have a number of them on my channel, and I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. If you do like them though, there is long versions on my membership channel, and some of the videos last over an hour long. So I just thought I'd let you know that, and also show you the quality of my Sony camera, and also plug my members channel. So if you're interested in joining or watching longer versions and extra footage of over 200 videos on there now, and I'll be adding more when I get on my travels, if you're interested, it's only $2.99, the price of a pint. We're going on a lovely walk today, up again to the Lake District, going back up Dollywaggon Pike, across Helvellyn and down the pony trail. There's another train coming every time. Right then, now then, it's 7:30 in the morning. I'm waiting for Mr. T, and we're off up to the Lake District. It looks like it's going to be a nice day, and we're going to recreate our Grisdale Valley walk up to Dollywaggon Pike and across Helvellyn and back down the pony trail. It'll be a grueler today. I've got 3 cameras on the job today. My Hero 12, which I'm filming with now, my Hero 8, which Mr. Turnick will wear on his chest as a banter cam, and my Sony A7 III, which I'm going to test out with some photographs and some video. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a grueler though. Right, I'm going to see Mr. T and I'm going to give him the banter cam.
Can I just point out, this morning I did the parking meter through the app Ringo.
Is it Beatles?
No. It's 50p dearer.
Is it?
Yeah. To go through Ringo.
All right.
If I'd have gone
And
with
actually,
my credit card and gone.
so what you're trying to say is, do you want 50p? Right, yeah. Just to hold it straight. So when you want to record, just press that button now. It's off now.
No, it isn't.
Then if you look like that when you're walking,
It's on.
it should be on now. It's on.
It didn't go
Yeah, it did. But you don't want it on when it's under your jacket.
Why?
You'll be recording it inside of your coat. Put on it.
Good morning, Muriel.
Morning, Muriel.
What are you doing with that now?
I'm just wrapping it up until it stops raining.
You've got a pot noodle today.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got a treat for you as well.
What?
I'm going to get it out now. But it's beanbag. Oh, you've got a water. It's leaking.
Bought a new bladder.
It's leaking.
No, it's not.
It's leaking.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
You've seen. I've got to tell him everything. Absolutely
I want
everything.
you to set this up for me
Set it up.
so that my pipe is through my sleeve, through my top of me.
Alright, see. Alright, I get it. Yeah. So basically, who's are you alright?
Oh, that's alright now. I know you're recording. Ask me what you've got on your chest.
Huh?
So what have you got on your chest and say it's a banter cam? There's Mr. T. What have you got on your chest there, Mr. T?
This, it's a Santa cam. Because all the nice people that we talk to, they're going to be seen on TV. So it's their Christmas present. Because they don't know that this is a Santa cam.
Banter?
Oh! I thought you said Santa. well,
I'm leaving my seat.
This is a banter cam. Look at that, David Bailey. Huh? I'll screenshot that.
Hold on. I've got my lens cap on. We're dark.
I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
That many things. Just Mabel's Lake.
Oh no, there's not there. There's a zip there for something.
Was it on this side or that side?
No, it's on that side. Going up there, it doesn't look promising.
This is where we had lunch a couple of weeks ago in that rain. Put a little clip in. What a difference nice weather makes. Oh yeah, alright. Oh, can I take your picture?
We can't do it.
No?
No. You doing coast to coast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still alive.
4 days?
4 days today.
Yeah. Somebody down there from America is on his 5th day.
To put another layer on, as the temperature's dropped and the wind's picked up. Probably have lunch at the top of Dollywaggon maybe, and I've got some Kendal mint cake to have. Are you having your Kendal mint cake yet?
I'm just got to look at my map now.
Right,
We're going up.
we've got some Kendal mint cake here, and I thought Mr. T had one, but obviously we've got to share this. Now when I got a nugget, there was one each.
Correct. It was a nugget. We're halfway up Dollywaggon at the moment. See, more and more, it would be absolutely wonderful in the cleared area.
So we've got wrapped up again because the weather's
Bloody changed
changed again. I put my fancy camera in my bag and we're going to crack on to the top of Dollywaggon Pike. I can't get my camera out, but I should do really for that.
Not getting too close to edge. Big drop down there, so I'm not doing it. As you can see, we're right on top. Well, nearly on top. Fair old mist is coming in, but it's blowing over. And then over, right over there to North Irish Sea.
I'm looking forward to standing on the top of Helvellyn. I've only been up once before, and it was the very first walk I ever did. Did Striding Edge, Helvellyn, and then down Swirl Edge. So I've been up to Red Tarn many times, been up to Catsicam a few times, but never back onto the summit of Helvellyn. I would estimate that it'd be round about 23 years, 24 years since I was on the top of Helvellyn. These are nice, these. Yeah.
Alright. I've got a banana for...
Would have been flapjacks.
Don't. He's only on day release. I take him back at 6. I get paid for it as well, so it's not so bad.
They looked at you. Well, they looked a bit like Indian, did they? Were they foreign? No. If the camera will pick it up, but just look how quickly your visibility disappears. There's Mr. T there. You can see him. We're in the mist now, coming to the top of Helvellyn.
We're just at the top.
There's a lot of people up here.
Helvellyn. Just past the sign that says the first aeroplane to land, and this is the view that we've got.
It keeps clearing, but only for a few seconds, and then blowing back in. But now it looks clear at the top. As you can see, you don't want to go past there. And there across Helvellyn at the top. And then it looks clear where we've just been. Now that is the top in the distance of Catsicam. But here where I am, this edge here, I don't want to go too near the edge, because that down there is a 500-foot drop.
I think we got a bit of rising today. Oh.
The light is absolutely in and out, but fantastic. Look at that down there. Look. Up there. Is there any shops up here?
There's 2 groups in front here actually.
Are they?
They're going to the lake.
How far ahead are they?
One will be already there. The girls, they're about 40 minutes in front of you.
It was, how many steps does he think
Do you
we've
know,
done?
this is the thing. I'm 70 and I'm keeping up with him. Look, I'm not out of breath and I'm still here with him. What time did we set off this morning? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
What time is it now?
I've no idea.
I'll tell you what time it is.
What's
It's 5:45.
quarter to
in the
6?
evening.
Can't do him. You can't do it. Did you do it then? You struggled, didn't you? Tiredness creeping in. He leaves it for me to do as well. To put this hook through there. It's alright, I'll do it.